I'm Armin. I'm Charlie.
I'm over here stroking my
salami, pepperoni, provolone, pastrami, pastrami.
Yeah, she's a bit of a fixer-upper, right? So today we are washing it. So we've got this. We've got to get some like WD-40 on that shit. Oh, you got your bag? Got a few buds. Pretty clean.
This bonnet didn't come on the car apparently, which I'm inclined to believe. These sick mags. The mags. Overall everything's pretty solid, like, especially for a car that was sitting by the ocean.
Let's go.
Sausalito, turkey, honey, ham.
I don't understand why they sell wheel spaces. They're actually illegal as fuck.
4x4 street race.
I love this place.
Super airflow.
Oh my
I need some of these for the wagon.
Should put that on my VSA. Boy, monocross.
Update. Bank account had a shit. Not real good. It's just having a shit.
Yeah. It's not real good if you ask me.
Yeah.
We'll put it back down.
Nah. After doing all the like difficult dumb shit, just using a regular jack and a jack stand now.
Like a scissor thing.
Oh,
Scissor? We're scissoring.
Scissor sisters or something.
We're scissoring right now.
Yeah, so we're scissoring the car.
We're gonna put some mad VTS, check it, VTSS rims.
Whew. Oh, wow.
Yeah, anyway. So I've almost died. Well, I dare to like scrummage through there, eh? See if there's a family in there.
No.
Because what's all this shit up here? These bugs. Ugh. Yuck. Actual yummy.
Yep, dropping the tank now.
Yep, there we go. Oh, dust.
We get the fuel hose. It's this thing here, eh?
Yeah, it's what? It's up against the fucking bottom.
That. Is it that?
Yeah.
What? The fuck? Yeah, anyway, so we just dropped the tank because when we tried to start it, well, for one, it wouldn't turn over, but that was because of some dumb security system. It turned over and the fuel pump's buggered.
Fucking something in my mouth.
Penis, probably.
Actual.
There we go. Oh, fuck. What? Good one. Oh, I didn't expect that.
The dust cloud, it made me think it was some fucking big tarantula. Now this is what you call a mess. Oh fuck, that's a screw. We need those, otherwise we're screwed.
Oh. See my face, I'm actually laughing. Check this out.
There we go.
Whole orchid growing. Big pube orchid.
Ugh, what is that?
Oh.
Hey fella.
Oi, I gave you 4. What?
Oh my god, he's alive!
Hang on. Where's my burnout wheel?
Why is it green?
If you leave a hateful comment again and again, you will be blocked, deleted,